Yo, yo, yo. What's up? What's up? Ooh, look at gold. Look at gold. Pushed right into the daily flip. What's good, peoples? I will turn my camera on in shortly. Have to take this stuff out my hair first. But you good? How's everyone? Rosie, Chris, Benny. What's up? What's up? Chris, how's that trade going? Trade's looking good, right? Trade's looking good. What was your TP again? Your TP wasn't even too bad. Back to 4,500. Okay. 45, 14-ish. Nice. Back to the highs of yesterday's highs we targeting. Ali, what's up, Ali? What's good? You good? Alright, let's do some daily analysis on gold. Let's see what gold's got for us today. So I'm gonna start with the daily. Now the daily candle is very weak bearish at the moment. We opened and we pretty much pushed down. We've been pushing down all Asian session, and now we're during London session we're having a bit of a pullback. So we did push into this daily support at 44.31. 44.31, and then we're having a big push up from there. Also a nice little 4-hour level that price is pushing up from. This current 4 hours broken the previous 4-hour high. So yeah, nice little retracement. If the daily candle stays bearish, obviously I think it's going to come back down. One thing though with the daily is it didn't break yesterday's low. So we came close but didn't break the low. So yeah, we got a good push up from there. Now 4-hour, like I said, we've created a support, retested this previous level, broke the previous 4-hour high, and we're making our way back up. Yesterday's price action was looking at this bearish structure on the 4-hour time frame. So with this candle, this 2 o'clock candle, the NY session 4-hour candle, it broke the high, but it pulled back. Which was kind of expected. I did draw it out that it could continue this bearish structure. So in true fashion, that's exactly what happened with gold. So I could see something similar happening today. You know, we create a lower high on the 4-hour and we sell. But if this daily support chooses to hold, if this daily support holds, then, you know, we could push back up. What do you think on gold? Yeah. So right now it's obviously looking a bit, it's not overall bullish because the daily candle's still bearish, but we are pushing up, aren't we? You're bearish, Benny. What did play out yesterday was, if you was in the Discord, Ashley did talk about this head and shoulders pattern that's potentially setting up. So this here would have been the right shoulder, creating a right shoulder here, which was just around Asian highs for price to come back down. I think that her TP was 4425. I mean, we came very close. So let's see, neckline. I think she said the neckline was about here-ish. She called the neckline. Well, it might have been down here. What time is it? It's quite late. Yeah, about here we're approaching the neckline. So it's been about 500 pips. I would have had it a bit lower than where she had it. Let's wait and see what NFP will do. Yeah, always. I don't like to be in a trade before NFP. I don't like to be in a trade before news. I want to be out before news or get in after the news. All right, let's do a quick poll and then I will get my camera set up. What a sell trade. That was no pullback. When? Yo, yesterday's move with this closure below, this would have been a beautiful sell. Beautiful sell if you caught it. You know, it was talking about we had a tight little range here, resistance, support. This candle closed below, came all the way back down to this support. Very nice, very nice. So what we'll go do, gold sells, gold buys, or both a whipsaw. What's everyone else's thoughts on gold? Benny, you said you're bearish. Chris is looking for buyers up at the moment. Rosie, what are you saying? Alright guys, poll is up. Get your votes in. And also like the stream while you're here. That'd be greatly appreciated. Alright, let's put some drawings back in on gold. Let's put some drawings in. Look, just rejecting that daily flip. Votes are anonymous. Okay. Alright, this is interesting. Interesting numbers so far. Majority are saying buys. Okay, guys, okay. We will look at what happened last month, during last month's NFP. Was May the 8th. May the 8th. 25 minutes to go. Yeah, let's take a look at it now. What was the numbers? Very good numbers. So they said 65k and it came out 115. May the 8th. So good numbers actually pushed gold up. Gold actually went up during the last NFP for the last numbers, for the good numbers. Alright, cool. Alright guys, that's an idea then. Although typically if the numbers come out better than expected, it normally comes out higher. It usually is bearish for gold. But yeah, we're a bit upside down world at the moment. In a bit of an upside down world. Also, DXY is looking very bearish, so that in itself is bullish for gold. So let's see what that does for gold. Very interesting to see how gold plays out. Are we going to close back in this range? Look at this price action this morning. Look at what we get for London session. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. Just wicks, sideways candles. Gold does not respect us. Where is the cam app? Hold on. So Chris, do you plan on holding like your full position all the way to TP, or would you close some on the way up? Are you gonna hold through the news as well? How you managing this trade? Sky, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you today? Gold looks like it wants to flip and drive up, doesn't it? Doesn't it? If it closes outside this range. Great morning today. Oh yeah? What happened? What happened? What was you killing? Bit of NAS or some US 30? Oh, I did have some levels right here. I kind of, just based on DXY, I could see it coming back down to like, because it's been playing this range. I can see it pushing back down to the bottom of the range. So I can see that helping gold push up if it does. Got NAS and US yesterday for the buyers. Crazy profits. Nice, nice. Yeah, NAS was it was playing games here, wasn't it? And it was playing games for a while and then eventually closed bullish and pushed up. So yeah, well done. Well done. Alright, Let me just finish taking the shit out my hair. I don't know if I'm tripping. I think I see a pattern on NAS 1 hour. What pattern? What pattern do you see? Seeing downtrend structure on NAS right now. During that sell, the continuation. All right, so the continuation pattern, like if you're talking about maybe this and this candle, it's invalid once this candle closed. Once this candle closed bearish, so it should look like so it always looks like, so you get a very strong candle, and then you get a very weak bodied candle, like that, and then the next candle, if we're bullish, should push up. It's what it should look like. That's what a continuation pattern would look like. So if it was like that one, it would look more like, for it to have played out, this candle would have pushed up. But also, it's not as good against the trend. So if it's bearish, if the structure right now is bearish, you don't want to be taking a continuation pattern up. You need a bullish bias to then for this pattern to play out. But let me show you a picture. Let me show you. So these pictures actually keep in Discord, in the strategy section. I might have to clean it up because there's a lot of conversation in there. Actually, I can pin this message, pin it. Can I pin more than one? Asking for sells. Nah, I don't see the continuation pattern for sells. I don't see it for sells. It'd have to look like this candle here. It would have to look, so we'd have to have a candle that closed very bearish, and then this current candle could, if it closes like weak bullish, like very weak bullish, because it's already broken that low, but if it closes like this, then the next candle, you could anticipate that the next candle is gonna come down like that. But no, not yet. So yeah, depending on how this candle closes, have to close very weak bullish, and then we can anticipate, we can see that pattern. Has there been any, just to give you an example, this right here is a continuation pattern right here. I haven't really back tested it much for NAS. I have seen it work across different pairs. I've seen it work across different pairs. Alright, 15 minutes till news. Are you guys gonna trade before or after news? Is anyone gonna try and do some stop orders? Gold buy from around 60, I think. Do you know what? I would love for gold to drop back into that support and then push up again. Spike down, then up we go. I like that. I like that. I do like that. Let's hope. Right, let's see what we get. Looks like a continuation pattern on gold right now on the 15. Want to make your burger money for the week, right? Trying to get some dinner, some Friday night dinner today. Warm Marin, what's up? What's up? Welcome back. Chris is in gold buys. That's all good. That's all good. A little dip before we go up. Won't hurt. Won't hurt the buys. You've been in from you got a really good position though, didn't you? Got in. I don't see where your entry is. I guess around 4437 ish. But now you got a nice entry so far. Nice entry. The structure is definitely supporting your trade. I didn't even clock that we retested the daily flip and Asian highs. Continuation pattern does look good on the 15 though. Right here, look, good strong push. Weak bearish. I definitely would not take it before news though. No. Yeah, this 30-minute candle closes. Kind of rejected those Asian highs. Be back. My hair's still a bit wet. It's not good. Can't go outside just yet. Beast. Mine's not working. Has everyone voted? Everyone voted. Get your votes in. Get your votes in. How long we got? 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Till gold goes crazy. I mean, if it's the same as last time, we got good numbers. Where's my... I'd have another chart here. Where's that gone? That's rude. We had good numbers and a push up. Or even make enough for a nice Man United footy top. If do it for a buy now, I don't get in. I wouldn't get in before the news. I gotta wait. Personally, I gotta wait. I don't mind waiting. It's all good, you know. Already getting the push up. Can we flip bullish before the news? Looks like it. We're gonna break these Asian highs. We're gonna reject Oh, looks like it's about to pop. No, retested the daily flip again. We popping? Like it? Right, let's see. I want to see the 4-hour time frame too. I like to look at both. Both. There we go. Another rejection. What? Up 420. Nice, nice, nice. Damn. Crazy pullback. Dude, how big was that pullback? 60 pips? It's not playing, boy. Minutes more. Oh, you're up 240. I thought that said 420. I can't read, apparently. Who's trying to get in before the news? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone brave enough? Today? Today? Maybe another day? Seven minutes to go. Price is just tweaking. Tweaking. Ain't it? Jerking up and down. So if I kind of anticipated that I'm anticipating if the numbers come out good, like if we just go by what's normally happens, if the numbers are good, that means the labor market is strong. That should encourage rate cuts if we connect it to monetary policy. And yeah, so that should mean bullish DXY, bearish gold. That's like the standard. So if we get anything above 85k, 90k, 100k, if we get above 100k again, I can see gold pushing, falling. If we get really, really good numbers, but that's just what I anticipate. Because April, what's weird is, even though the market was closed in April, it was, I mean, if we looked at that crypto gold, it was actually bearish. So that's how it's supposed to react. Now, if we get bad numbers, I could see gold pushing. If we get 70, 60, if we get a huge miss, I can see gold flying for the end of the week. Though I do like a Friday sell-off. I do like a Friday sell-off, guys. Can't lie. Can't lie to you. I do. Five minutes to go. Payrolls in focus as AI rally cools. Everything's dropping. Alright, alright. NFP, time to show up. I just hope TradingView doesn't freeze, because that's why some pairs had to get the little snippy snip. I wonder if nah, I doubt Roger's streaming today. Roger likes to do a little NFP gamble. If he was gonna be on, he'd be on already. Up down, where are you going, market? Yo. So I'll wait till after the news, man. For me, that's, you know, being on the safe side. Be on the safe side as much as I can. As much as I can. Right, let me run to the restroom before this news comes out and I'm locked in. Alright, I'll be right back. How long have I got? 2 minutes? Yeah, we good. Oh, we're dropping, huh? Okay. A little drop. You think we're gonna keep dropping, guys? Keep dropping, or we're gonna bounce from 4460. How long we got? A minute and a half. Ooh. Where we going? I gotta keep an eye on my broker just in case we freeze over here. Just in case. Alright, I'm about to. Has everyone voted? Because I'm about to lock the votes. Oh, no one trying to vote afterwards now. Ooh, where's it gone? Oh, would help if I could find it. Okay, so gold buys have the majority. Let's see if these spreads start jumping. It's usually a good indication of some very big volume coming in. Oh, spreads haven't jumped. Oh, down. Damn. Down we go. Down we go. What are the numbers? They must have been crazy numbers. Unemployment was the same. Huge numbers. Huge numbers. Oh my god, gold. See you later. Bye. Damn. Look, 172. Oh yeah, we out of here. Oh, we're not gonna continue. Oh, that's a huge push. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 2 rejections of the daily flip, Asian highs. Daily staying bearish. Now let's see if we can come down and re-break yesterday's low. If we re-break yesterday's low, guys, my target for today is 4375. 4375. It's ambitious, but you know, it's gold. Why not? But first, in order for that to happen, we've got to obviously push below Asian lows. If we get to Asian lows and we hold, or yeah, either 4436, 4428, if any of these support holds, we could get a bounce back up. But yeah, wow, nice little drive down. Nice little drive down. Now where can I get in? Oh, I know, right? that's the question. That's the question. Now where to get in? I'm surprised Naz isn't moving much. Jeez. DXY is pumping. But look, I don't like this, that we're pushing right back into this 4-hour resistance. This could still reject. Right here. This could still reject. It could, so wow. Gold done lash me. Oof. Listen, man, you got to be out before news, man. You were up. You were up a good like 400 pips. Secure. Start again. Do you know what I mean? There will always be re-entries. But I couldn't. I honestly don't think I could let 400 pips run back on me. It's I couldn't. At least like take some off the table. Do you know what I mean? Take some partials. Leave a runner before news, if that's what you do, if that's all you do, at least. And I'm not saying do that every time, I'm just saying just do that maybe for news. That's it, just for news. All right, we're getting a bit of a jerk back up. Still wet. No. But you still have a very good entry, Chris. Like it's not 100% completely bearish now. Like it's not, you know, we're not getting like massive sells down. There's a lot of time left. Like I said, if we stay in this Asian range, if we just retest these Asian lows and don't break, I can still see gold bouncing back up. Because it'll be off this daily support again and 4-hour level. So, no, it's not the end of the world. But NFP, we're just getting a reaction to the news. And you know what? This is kind of like yesterday. Yesterday we had this reaction to war news, and then what happened? We retraced the whole move. 15 minutes. Okay, we're still falling. If we break this 4-hour low here, we're gone. Actually gone. Look at DXY. Naz, how's your sales looking, Sky? Look, them sales are looking juicy. Them sales are looking juicy right now. Yeah, it must look good. Yeah. Alright, so now first target, or first area of interest is right here. 4436, 4437. I want to see how gold reacts here. Yep. Ash, what's up? What's goody? What's goody? What's goody? How's the market treating y'all? Man, I'm very interested. I want some more gold sales. Actually caught a piece of the Head and Shoulders yesterday. Actually did. Left a little something running overnight. Something very light, because you know I wanted to sleep. Gold is running like it stole something. I didn't grab. Good morning, good day for me. What's up, Mike? Clicked on the news movement. Hey. What are you guys' thoughts? Look, the numbers were huge. So that was even though in May, gold pushed on the good numbers, today we still had the same bias. Bearish on gold. If the numbers come out higher than expected, gold sells. NFP, man. And I shouted it in the Discord before the second shoulder was formed. Oh yeah. That was real nice. I kept my eye on that. I actually had my eye on that. I definitely had my eye on that. And you know what I love about patterns and where these things form? It lined up so well with Asian highs. So well from Asian highs. Like, look, where was it? It was right here. Like here. The fact that we just pushed right back up into the Asian highs, respected it, and then slowly started to come back down. It was beautiful. Very well anticipated, Ash. Ash got these patterns on lock. Ash got these patterns on smash. Those sales were crazy on Nas. Oh, what, yesterday? I've seen those patterns so much. I train my eyes to anticipate them even as they're forming. Yo, I need to get to that level with patterns. That's nice. That's nice. Real nice. Do you think gold is about to test that prior H40 and the low? I thought it was heading that way. It's the low, like it came very close to yesterday's low. I think this is one of those times where if this 4-hour low breaks, it's going to be really significant. Like yesterday was some, I was going to say it was some BS, but yesterday, this low, it didn't really, breaking this high didn't really mean much. We broke the high and then we literally just flipped bearish and came right back down. But if we break this low, I think we might as well break yesterday's low and just keep going down. So I said earlier, Ash, before you came, my target was still 4377. If we break below Asian lows, if we close below Asian lows, break this low, break the daily low, yeah, we're out of here. We're going down. But at the same time, so this is where my brain goes all the time. It's like, is this news enough to make gold really bearish? Is this the news that, you know, sends gold lower? I kind of don't think so. I think we're getting a reaction, but I can imagine a push and then a bounce back up. That's kind of what I'm thinking. If we hold, if some of these levels hold, then yeah. If they break, then down we go. I know what I'm thinking. Maybe some retest, then bounce. Yeah. So retest Asian lows. Maybe this support. Maybe this daily support around 443132, something like that. Something like that. Something like that. Yeah. Man, we are struggling to push down some more. Coming so close to Asian lows. Didn't quite get there. This is a decent move for NFP. It's not the best we've ever had, but 260 pips. How far do you think we're going, chat? Talk to me, traders. What we doing? What we doing? What we thinking? More sells or a bounce? But Nas, man. Nas is kind of holding. Structure wise, gold is bearish. 4476 might be a sell zone down to 4392. 4392. Okay. Yeah, I mean, gold does look bearish, doesn't it? Does look bearish. I'm just looking out for key levels. That's what I do. I look for areas that might hold, areas that need to break, and then I trade based off that. Down we go. How low can you go? Jeez. Yeah, gold might go a bit further, you know. Look at this. Look at this. Just based off DXY, which is going crazy. All right, so we broke Asian lows. Can we close below here? What a drop. What a drop. And look at this. I'll keep coming back to this candle. This candle is going crazy. Talk to me, gold. What are you telling me? What are you telling me, gold? We bouncing from here? We driving. Driving. We pushing. We outie. All right, now if we break 4428 now. Pushing below the next support. Very close to yesterday's low, which is at 44. What's the low? 23. So 4424. If we drop there, that's it. We gone. Oh. Did we break that low? Yes, we did. Ooh, guys. Ooh, you might see big sales of gold. Tankiana, as Ash says. Okay, gold's snapping. Oh, DXY is still pushing. Everything's going crazy. What a move. Look at this NFP candle, yo. Look at this. 44. Ooh. Sell onto 4392, 4381. Mike is in these. Oh shoot, we gone. You want 4417. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not a crazy stretch. I can imagine gold just popping, you know, when gold just skips numbers, like it's driving down that much. Now come back up so we could get in. Alright, give us a little entry, you know what I mean? A little something. Give us a little something. This is a massive move, man. How far, gold? How far you want to go? Where you want to go today? Thank you again, Sel. This is huge, man. This is a really huge move. Oh, it skipped. There we go. I knew it was gonna happen. Gold does that. It misses numbers. You don't see 18. You just go from 20 to 17. Okay. 4417 smashed, Mike. That's it. You done? You good? I think we might actually head down a bit more. Do we have anything to the left? Look, we have nothing to the left. Clean candles to come down. Very, very clean. Very clean. Nas is doing a bit of a drop too. DXY is still going crazy. Still going crazy. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's comfortable up here. 4401 next. Okay, okay. Let's see, let's see. Damn, 415, 16, 13. Jeez. Wow. I didn't I didn't expect them all to be what do you call it? Like every candle be broken all at once, but yeah. Big M30 candle. Is this like the old NFP for you? Yeah, 100%, man. Do you remember old NFP? But then old NFP, we'd get a little pullback and then price will continue. So 2 o'clock, like when this candle closes, maybe we get a little retracement and then we continue bearish. I pity someone was buys before the news. Hey man, look, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. The buys were there before the news though. The buys were there. The buys were there. Like we had a decent push up before we came back down. You know what I mean? 300, 400 pips, 390 pips. It's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. How big is this candle? This candle is 520 pips. Oh, and still going. Oh, wee. Wow. What a drop, man. What a drop. Oh, we're just not gonna pull back. We're just not gonna pull back at all. No, we're just gonna keep dropping. Maybe 4,400 then we might see a bit of a reaction. Maybe guys. All right, let's see now. This candle is closing huge bearish. Huge bearish. DXY is not slowing. That 4409 tapped. Bit of a little yeet there. This is what I expect it to do on the next candle, like pull back up and then continue dropping. But shit. Yo. These sales are crazy. These sales are crazy. Gold is going off. This definitely feels like old NFP. I hope it pulls up for us. Yeah. I know, right? We got to get a little bit of a retracement. Just a little bit of a retracement. Like something. 4 hour just broke the low immediately. But we should come back. bit of a top wick, and then it could do what it wants after that. No? Alright, do we tap 4400? Yes, we did. Tap 44. Are we just going to drive through it? I want a bit of a pullback. I just want a bit of a pullback. And then maybe you can take some. Damn, did that break 44? It did. Spliff, what's going on? Alright, this is it now. This is it. Give us a nice pullback. And then dropped earlier than I thought. NFP car, man. Big news today. It's big news today. Big news. That's what caused the drop. It's like one of the biggest US news that comes out apart from CPI. Unemployment claims. And jobs data. Yeah, this is not to be missed. This is not to be missed. You gotta be ready for this. Trade either side of this. This is bad for us. No, it's not bad. We had very good numbers. So very good numbers, bullish for USD. That's why DXY is pushing like crazy. And it's been very bearish for gold. So it's literally just a news candle that's made gold drop. But this is good. We're getting a nice retracement here. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Be nice to us, gold. Be nice to us. Which might give us a chance to get in, guys. It might give us a chance to get in. This definitely feels like old NFP. We get a huge drop. We get a retracement. And then it sells again. Alright, how far up? I would love like 4428. It's a bit ambitious. But if it could like retest a broken level, that would be great. That would be amazeballs. Might be asking a bit much, but you know, if you don't ask, you don't get. Got a plan for somewhere, right? Do you imagine if it shot all the way back up? It just continued all the way back up. No, let me not say that. Let me chill. Anything can happen with gold. Anything can happen, literally. Retest of Asian lows would be nice. Okay, back to 4436. You want a big pullback. Oh, is that all it's gonna give us? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. That's it? Nah, you gotta give us a bit more than that, gold. Just a bit more than that. Now, I'm also cautious of this DXY falling back out of this zone again. Like, this area was a massive rejection area for DXY. So, if we don't stay up here and we drop, you can see gold fly. Give us a pullback, gold. Nice little closure below on NAS too. I thought I just saw 4411 and then it just dropped. sorry, I wanted to look at. See the IC markets 4-hour candle. So guys, do you think gold is going to continue bearish today? You think that's it? We're going to have a super bearish day? We're just going to sell, sell, sell. I doubt we get any war news today. I hope we don't. I hope we don't, because war news going into the weekend is so jarring. Because then there's updates over the weekend and then we get a crazy gap like Sunday night. Crazy gap. Let's go back. Let's go back. Kind of, I don't say we're struggling to push down. We're not. This is a great area to bounce from right here. We close below 4400s. All right, let's see what the weekly's looking like actually. Let's see what the weekly's looking like. Okay, so we haven't broken last week's low. Haven't broken last week's low. Very interesting. Very interesting. I was going to say, if we close like super bearish going into next week, we might be very bearish, but that kind of changes things a bit for me. All right, go a bit more of a pullback. Come on. Come on. Come on. 4428. Amazing. 4436. Amazing. I wish I had some old NFP pictures. I might do, you know. Let me go back. 2020. Let's find some of these old journals. Right, let's see. Let's go 2022. Wait, do I have 2022? 2023 is the latest I have. All right, 2023 it is. I've got news and results. Yo, look at the the work I used to do here is crazy. Yo. I want to show you guys this. I actually want to show you guys this. How am I going to show you? Alright, I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to show you this one. This is what I used to do. Every single news release that came out, this is what I used to do. Oh my god. Now bear with me because I was using white charts, so it's about to get real bright in here. And then I literally used to plan like what I would do. Hold on, where has it gone? Look. Some of it is in writing, but my writing looks a bit crazy, so I used one where I typed it out. So yeah, look, Friday 6th of October, this is 2023. I would say what the forecast was, how it came out, better than expected, and then I would always do like a recap of what happened for the news. So look, gold dropped 93 pips to weekly support, then retrace the move. Just like that. So that's why, because I used to see that over and over again. Where does my thing keep going? Because I used to see it over and over again. That's why I look for key levels to be hit for a retracement, because I used to see that happening with news. My CPI one, and I've literally just got USD news, and every month I'll just update this page with what happened month by month by month. I could show you all CPI. I could show you, I did this for a whole year. For the whole year. Wow. Look at my CPI ones. Good times. Good times. Good times. Good journaling. Did I do it in 2024? It'd be nice to see something more recent, actually. Alright, gold, this is the retracement right here. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Great journaling. Thank you. Thank you. You know how I did, Ashley, right? You know how I did. I was on that news, boy. I was on that news. Big time. Big time. Big time. Like, I would really be going back and collecting that data. Alright, 4,420. Just give me 80 more pips for a push up. Just a little 80 more pips. Yeah, I remember that. And the website too. Oh man, that website. I was on that website. Tough. Tough. But it was like money I was spending that do you know what I mean? It was just money going out. I should have really converted it into something that would give me a return. But it was fun doing it though. It was fun doing it. It's all part of the journey. In buys from the Wick, I stack up 0.1 buys to lower the risk. Nice, nice. Well done, Eugene. Well done. What's your target? What's your target? Wait, what? So this is an old resistance it bounced up from. Nice. Little retest. Little retest. And then once, like, if this level gets broken, if we push up, then I'll just delete it because we've broken through and it hasn't like held or anything. So I'll put mad levels on just to look for reactions, and then once like they're of no use, I just take it off. XY, closure below. We're gonna keep selling. So what I'm thinking is, obviously this candle push up, and then maybe the next candle, market open, we continue down. But I would hope in the next 15 minutes we get a retest of something. So it's like a confluence. So at least 4428, 4436. And if they hold, then sells back down. If we close back in the Asian range though, I'm literally thinking more buys, because we'd still be respecting this daily support around 4432 down here, where we kept on pushing up from. So yeah, it really depends on how this candle closes right here. DXY is not really giving, not DXY, Nas ain't really giving me that drive. Wait, Sky, you still in sells? I know Sky's in some Nas sells. Go on, push. No, I got out looking for a better entry. Cool, 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 cool. You still thinking sells? Still thinking sells? Target scaled out now. Only have one position left just as a test. Okay. Okay, okay. Come on, gold. Give us just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. $15. Got a nice push. Re-break the high. Push up. I'm on 15-minute candle. Do us right. Flip and push up some more. But you know what? It's not bad that it's not pushing up right now. We still have 11 minutes left. We have so much time left in this candle. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. Bad time left. But well done if you caught this move, you know, if you caught some of this. Well done if you're being patient and waiting. You know what I mean? There would have been a time where I would jump in. I wouldn't have done it on stream though. But there definitely would have been a time where I would take a sneaky trade. I'd have a very strong conviction of where price is going. And I'd be like, yep, this NFP is gonna sell, and then bam. Used to do me well. Used to do me well. Can't complain. Oh, is this it? Is this it? 15 minute? Are we gonna come down then? Is that it? Oh, a little retracement, bit more, just a bit. Go on, flip, push. Don't tease us. It doesn't want to push back into the 4420s. Have you noticed? Every time it gets in there, we just jerk back. Go on, gold. You can do it. You can do it. I just want this. I just want this. Or this. Or if it don't want to come back down, then you don't have to come back down. You know what I mean? Let's go. We can go up here if you want. Or that. That's it. That's it. It's confused, right? It really is. This 15 is giving us no energy. This current 15 is giving us nothing. This last 15 minute gave us a bit of life, a little 200 pips. Giving us 70. Come on now. Come on now. Give us a little some. It's a little some. It's a little some. Crazy. Another 200 pips on the market open candle would be dope. Look, DXY is still pushing. I'm watching the price. Nas, where we going, Nas? As is on its pullback-ish. Back with the bias, or the daily bias. See Nas buys. Hey. Talk that talk. Are you out? Are you out of your sells then, I presume? I presume. Yeah, long time. Okay. That's what's up. In and out. Snatch them pips. Alright, Goldie. Alright, gold. Are we closing with a continuation pattern? Because that would be very fitting. Gold could barely get back to the 4420s, right? Like it literally couldn't push. It literally couldn't push. We still got 5 minutes left, just under 5 minutes. What can happen in 5 minutes? It's an 80 pip push. Refill this wick. It's light work. Alright, go just a bit more, just a bit more. It's a lot to ask for 140 pips. Back to that old support, isn't it? But what could happen is we could close bullish. The next candle could push up, tap this support, tap the support, and then we could sell. Alright, it's not gonna sell like this. Let me not do nothing crazy, but yeah, it could come back down like that. You know? As long as we get a retest. I just want to see a retest of like an old level for price to come down. That's it. That's all I want. That's it. I'm crazy. How do I... Look. Yeah, I hope so. What did I say? Forget. Remind me. Gotta remind me. Sweet Licks, you're in the buys. You're in the buys for Naz. Did it hit like a key level or something? Did it hit like a fib or? Damn, Goldie. Continuation pattern maybe then? That's what you want to give us? Very weak bullish candle. And then next candle we just open and drive. Is that what's happening? Is that what's happening here? Back down to 4,400. Weak bullish would be nicer, but I mean, even if it wants to just be bearish candles from now until the end of the day, it is what it is. M5 divergence. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're thinking a little swing back up? A little swing? Hey, I'm here for it. Here for it. Go on, go. Give us a push up. Just a bit of a push up. Yeah, and then, you know, come back down there if you want. What's Naz doing? Naz is doing Naz things. Alright, still going crazy. $4,400. We're gonna tap 44 again. Breaking, breaking, or holding. Breaking or holding. How far were we from the weekly low as well? Okay, now we're far away, like 400 pips. Okay, yeah, I ain't gonna worry about that for now. I ain't gonna worry about that for now. Ooh, breaking lows. Yee. Okay, we broke the low, but we might have just been a little sweet. Might have just been a little sweet. Yo, look at Nas. Alright, Sky, get that shit. Get that shit. Come on, gold. Pull back. Pull back. What's the target for the M5 divergence, Ash? Stop drinking so much water on stream. Let's go restroom again. Go on now, give us a push. Give us a push. NFP does love a little retrace. Check M5, last resistance. Okay, so back to 4419-ish, I suppose. Cool, cool, cool. If this area doesn't hold. Okay. Okie dokie. Back down. I just want some structure now. That's it. That's all I'm waiting for. After a big move, especially after a big move, I want to see a pullback before I get in. I want to see a pullback. That's literally all I want. This might have been enough, but structure's a bit tight. It's a bit tight. It's not great. It's not great. It's not great. Alright, no, let me go to the restroom and come back. I'll be right back. Late pullback to close the week. Maybe, you know, Benny. Maybe. Alright, give me 2 secs. Oh, coming down still. Oh man. Late pullback to close the week. I'm holding faith. Oof. What faith on Naz? No, Naz likes to play these games, man. Market open candle. This candle's not even that crazy. It's not the craziest Naz candle I've seen. Gold now? Gold looks like it wants to just keep going. Are you gonna pop, gold? Are you gonna pop? It's not really giving a... Oh, I was about to say it's not giving a clean drive, but there it goes. There it goes. Are we just gonna slap through now? There it goes. Clean break of 4,400 now. How far down are we gonna go? Do we have any levels though? That's the thing. I don't really see no... Yeah, it's just clean. It's clean going down, guys. Clean. The cleanest. Damn, gold. 4390. Shit. 4389. Yeah, we out of here. We out of here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm so annoyed I've been bearish on gold and didn't catch none of this. Didn't catch none of this. I've been bearish on gold. Oh, that's horrible. That's horrible. Mike 437, 4367. Yeah, looks like it, man. Looks like it. It's heading that way, isn't it? I want it to come down to this 4-hour support, really. That's my target. That was my target, yeah. But I was expecting a bit more of a pullback. A bit more of a pullback, and then, you know what I mean? I could get into the sales, but it didn't want to pull back for me. It didn't want to give me no pullback. Crazy work. It's all good though, Goldie. It's all good. It's all good. Maybe a swing back above 4,400. Maybe. I think that's asking a lot, isn't it? It's asking a lot. It's just gold is gone. The DXY. Ooh wee. Four four nine 4395. Hi Mickey, was told news is a no-go zone. Yeah, you want to trade either before, be out of your trade before news, or trade after the news, like jump in on the volume. Do you know what I mean? But you definitely don't want to try guess what's going to happen, because then you need to make sure you're on the right side of volatility. So yeah, either side of the news is probably best, unless you're in very, very early, like. But I would still say get out and start again, to be honest. Naz is not looking hot. Yeah. Come on, Goldie. So gold actually tapped into this 4-hour support here. I see markets 4-hour support. Can we get a pullback? Can this area hold? Can we pull back from here? What price is this? 444388. Looking good, is it? Maybe a little bounce. Maybe. But nah, man, this has been a very huge move for gold. Very huge move for NFP. This is why people love NFP, because you get these massive moves. I still don't know how bearish I think gold is going to be just based on this. I still think we get a retracement, to be honest. I still think we get a retracement. I just don't know when. Still looking for it to retrace from a level. I just don't know which level it's going to be for gold. But yeah, man, no go zone for trading the actual news. Unless you have a very specific back-tested strategy to trade the news, don't try to guess it. It's never gonna go well. It's never gonna go well. Let's do... DXY 9973 possible setback. I mean, yeah, if we, well, I can't even use this box here. It was just the area that was holding price before. Oh no, gold is gone. Gold is gone. Nas is gone. Jeez. DXY is gone. Up. Said 4381 possible reaction. Okay. 4381. Cool. Let's go, Goldie. Let's go. so... Yo, gold is out. No pullbacks for us, gold. Jeez. Nothing. Nothing. Cold, man. It's cold. Actually cold. It's cold-blooded. That part hurts. No decent pullback to ride the wave. I know. It's so messed up. Like, I'm just looking for somewhere. I do like this area though. I do like this whole area. It's like a daily support zone. Daily support zone. Mickey, how you doing? You alright, Sam? How are you? I'm good. And yourself? Right now, I'm just watching gold drop without me. That's how I'm doing right now. And it's a damn shame. It just left me high and dry. Still leaving. Man, still leaving. Jeez. Oh man. Naz is looking nasty, bro. I still want a retracement. Is that, am I still asking for too much, do you reckon? Is that still too much? I'm asking for too much. Is it too much? I don't think so. I see a turnaround where it's at now on Naz. Oh yeah. Okay. We do have a little support here. Little support there. Little support down there. Me too. Gold just dropped 1,000 pips this morning. Crazy, innit? Crazy. Crazy. Gold said, watch this. Such a crazy day. Yes. I mean, NFP, it's expected. That's the thing. It's not like it's not expected. It's just when it's expected, but you can't get in on it. That's the only thing that's getting me. Like, I want some of this. Like, give me some of this. Give me some, just a little. I don't need too much. Gold don't want to give me nothing. Push back above 4,400. At least retest 44. That would be, I'd take that. I think I'll take a bit of that. Just a bit more, it's a bit more of a pullback. This ain't pulling back nothing. Gold being tight with the pips, tight with the pullback pips. Oh shoot, it's the last 5 minutes as well of the market open candle. This is where gold likes to make moves, I guess. Gold, is that what we're gonna do? All good. Keep up on the live. I love what you're doing. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you being here. Gotta catch some pips now. Shoot. Alright, this is it. Last 5 minutes. Give us something. Give us a pullback. Give us a little something. If your weekly target is around 7k and you get it the first 3 days, do you feel bad about all this move? Nah, not at all. I don't set monetary targets. I never set a target. I just aim to take good trades. Like, I aim to follow my trading plan. I aim to follow my strategy. But that's it really. I aim to journal. Like, if I can get all of that done, then I feel like I've had a good week. To me, I call that a good week. Love your patience. It shows your discipline. Yeah, man. Gotta be patient. I learn lessons when I'm not patient. Do you know what I mean? And yeah, I take those lessons seriously. Take those lessons very serious. Woo! 43.80. 43.80, 79. 78. Jeez, that last 5 minutes of this candle, guys, I'm telling you, the last 5 minutes, I told you, gold goes crazy. It goes crazy right here. Oh, shoot. What did I move? Oops. Lock all this stuff. Lock, lock, lock and key. Lock, lock. Crazy last 5 minutes. And still going. Wow, man. At this point, is a retracement just too much to ask for? Is it us? Are we asking for too much? I feel like we're asking for too much. Want a bit of a pullback so we can get in, we can sell some more. That's it. No. Man, all right, but look, we close on this 4-hour support right here, which I believe is also a daily support. I believe. Yes, a very strong daily support here. Look, we've had massive pushes up from this level. Massive pushes. If we hold, this is where I believe we can get a retracement. 4-hour level 2. Oh, damn, never mind. Never mind. Gold is like, no thanks. No thanks. Gold said, no thank you. Damn. With 20 seconds to go, gold slapped through that level. Jeez. Damn, still going. Ooh-wee. No, this hit my daily sell target. Wow. Wow, 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 wow to these cells right here. Gold coming back to 45.12. Yesterday was a good setup for me, but I said I wasn't taking any more trades this week, and I watched it all play out. Nice. I mean, yeah, if there's an opportunity there, I'm gonna take it. That's just where my head is at most of the time with trades. I'm definitely gonna take my trades. Like, yo. I feel like if you limit yourself, I feel like you shouldn't limit yourself. But damn though, gold, like no pullbacks, nothing. Oh, there we go. Now we're getting a pullback. Great. Great. How much though? Oh, damn, it's a quick 100 pips. Super quick hundo. What's the message? That prior H1 closed without a wick. Price made one and pushed up. Prior H1. Oh. I mean, I have a very tiny wick. I see it on my broker too. It's very small though. It's very small. It is a very small wick. Karen, you're right. How are you? I am just about to finish. I can't lie. I'm done looking at golds. I don't want to force nothing. I don't want to force nothing. But it's yeah, man, it's been very eventful. It looks like it wants to keep dropping though, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like it wants to just flip and drive? Look at this. Alright, Gold's got places to go. Where you trying to go, Goldie? It's gonna flip and drive. 433. Next one, that would be my, well, 4334. Yeah, pretty much. I just play it support to support, like support to support. If we're gonna keep going down, then yeah, that's my next zone really. If we keep going. Yeah, but yeah, guys, I'm going to leave it right here. I'm gonna leave it right here. I know when to call it. I'm going to enjoy my Friday. What do we have next week? So next week we have CPI next week. Lovely. We have PPI next week. And then we also have, that's it, PPI and CPI. Easy week. Nice week. Nice week. Maybe. We'll see what CPI does for us. But yeah, man, guys, appreciate you for joining as always. And I will see you guys next week. But I don't think I'm going to be traded. I still want a bit of a retracement. I can't see gold dropping this much and not having a pullback. So I'm going to be looking at all of these levels that I have. So 4-hour supports and then little 30-minute supports, and see if any of those hold for the pullback. But I mean, I went in today super bearish. Gold played out very bearish. So I'm happy with my analysis. It's just, yeah, just didn't get an opportunity. And that's all right. We go again next week, right? We go again. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys on Monday. Peace out. You've marked the support levels very well. They coincide with key levels in my trading method. Wicked. Perfect. Hopefully see you Sunday. Have a good evening. Yes, Carl. Peace. I will see you guys Sunday. Alright, guys, have a good one and be safe out here because gold is snatching pips. Alright. Peace out.